My name is Harpreet Kaur. Basically, I'm from Punjab, India, and currently I'm living in Toronto, Canada. I completed my graduation in Bachelor of Science from Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar, and after that I got certification in Diploma in Computer Application, Programming in Java, and Web Application Development using Servlet from NIIT. After that, I moved to Canada, and recently I have completed Information System Business Analysis program from Northern College Timmins campus. And currently, I am pursuing Supply Chain Management Global Logistics program from Fleming College Toronto campus. And in my spare time, I enjoy spending time with my friends and family members and doing all these things that makes me feel happy. One of these things is exploring different kinds of places, but today here I am going to talk about something which is very important and interesting, that is about Loblaw Company. Loblaw Companies Limited is Canada's food and pharmacy leader and the nation's largest retailer. With approximately 2,500 corporate, franchised, and associate-owned locations, it's a 100 years old company which is one of the Canada's largest private sector employer and a major contributor to the country's high quality of life. The company employs nearly 2 lakh full and part-time employees. Loblaw has a growing digital business including online grocery, orders picked up at stores, and the e-commerce services or sales related to Loblaw's pharmacy, beauty, apparel, and lifestyle offers. More than 12 million people participate in Loblaw's loyalty program each year, which is a leading reward program in Canada. The motto Live Light Well. Loblaw is dedicated to serving the needs of all Canadians, including its customers who conduct more than 1 billion transactions in its store each year. Moreover, the company provides customers with the convenient location, the wellness services found in the grocery and drug stores, and many of the most well-known brands in the country. It shows a keen sense of corporate social responsibility. Furthermore, Nobla aims to offer everything Canadians requires in order to live well, and in the whole process of Nobla company, technology plays a crucial role to achieving the goal of for improving all the needs of the consumers, and as it helps the company to better understand its customers. More Canadians visit Laplace stores numerous times each week, providing the corporation with the wealth of data which it can use to offer the utmost convenience to customers. Loblaw was deploying sophisticated technology in order to track when a customer enters a store and how long it takes them to load their cart. Furthermore, customers can now add an item immediately before pickup to their basket as well. Furthermore, Loblaw is concerned about customer happiness and the whole shopping experience of its customers. As a result, the retailer has launched an online poll at www.storeopinion.ca where customers and visitors to the store can enter their thoughts matter if your opinion is critical or positive. What counts is that it is an honest critique. Loblaw stores sincerely appreciate your feedback because it will assist them in determining what they need to improve to provide a better experience for its customers. Almost all Loblaw supermarkets are welcome to leave feedback and enter the price draw, as Loblaw understands how valuable and limited your time is. So they are giving you a chance to win prizes by entering the Loblaw monthly sweepstakes. Loblaw sweepstakes and win prizes, the visitor must read the terms and conditions and complete the survey instructions. Moreover, the company's well-known quick shop function gives clients access to an online storefront with deals, recipes, and personalized product recommendation. The personalization is crucial for retailers in order to give customers the inspiration they seek to buy something from the store. Loblaw recognized the significant chance to enhance online interactions through more rapid data analytics. In addition, Loblaw intended to free up marketers from having to coordinate with IT to set up e-commerce systems in order to run deals at any time. The company preferred to empower staff to concentrate on innovation rather than expanding its IT infrastructures or more of the teams to infrastructure maintenance. Instead of enlarging its own data center, Loblaw gradually migrating to Google Cloud. And by moving to Google Cloud, the company improves its resiliency, capacity, scalability, security, performance, and etc. Moving to Google Cloud help Loblaw company to perform well and to work faster, to improve popular features and to introduce new functionality. Customers obtains offers that are more relevant to their present circumstances rather than ideas and prices based exclusively on things they bought or they purchased a weeks or a month ago. The fourth, more alluring offers also increases the likelihood that the buyer will buy the goods from the stores. Google BigQuery helps a Loblaw to make more accurate predictions about what the customers want and what they are likely to buy in the future. Google Cloud provides greater resiliency than Loblaw's on-premises data centers and help it to protect customers and the revenue they earn from the customers. And if any issue occurs, Loblaw easily diagnose them quickly by using Google Stack Driver, and it's used as Stack Driver for monitoring and logging. Furthermore, moving the Loblaw's online grocery site to Google Cloud gave Loblaw 4 times extra performance increase and the capacity to offer heavy 3 times the traffic. With a more responsive e-commerce site and the ability to handle more traffic without impacting the customer experience, Loblaw can run marketing promotions and generate revenues from them. Faster processing of e-commerce transactions contribute to higher conversion rates and potentially more income even when no promotions are running in the Loblaw's company. With the help of Google Cloud, Loblaw gains elastic scalability and automation that allows the company to focus on building solutions to address the needs of its customers, protecting and expanding its hard-earned market share. Loblaw continues a long legacy of earning the loyalty of Canadians by offering more practical and satisfying shopping experience to its customers. And in order to provide users with distinctive experiences, Loblaw deploy Google Learning Solutions and manage services for SQL and non-SQL databases as it continues to learn more about its client without jeopardizing with their privacy. Google Cloud opens up a whole new world, helping Loblaw spark innovations while reducing their time to market for new features that make shopping fun and engaging. Um, in the whole process, the Google Cloud gives them the speed and the flexibility they need to drive change, and it makes the Loblaw companies the Canada's largest pharmacy and the food company and the leader in the private sector, which increased the customer satisfactions and become the Canada's leader. That's all about the Loblaw company. Thank you.